What if I told you this truck doesn't need diesel, costs less to run than anything on the road, and could completely change the global trucking industry by 2026? This is the Tesla Semi, and it's far more dangerous than you think. Welcome back, InfoByte Network. For decades, long-haul trucking has stayed the same. Loud engines, expensive fuel, endless maintenance. But Tesla looked at the trucking industry and asked one simple question. What if we delete everything that makes trucking expensive? The answer is the Tesla Semi-Truck 2026. What makes Tesla Semi different? This is not just an electric version of a diesel truck. The Tesla Semi is built from the ground up to move heavy cargo more efficiently than anything before it. It can haul up to 80,000 pounds, travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, and do it with zero tailpipe emissions. And the craziest part? The driver sits in the center, improving visibility, safety, and control, something no traditional truck ever prioritized. Range, charging, and performance. Tesla claims the Semi can travel around 500 miles fully loaded, but range is only half the story. With Tesla's Megacharger, the Semi can recover up to 70% charge in about 30 minutes, just enough time for a driver's break. Acceleration? It goes from zero to highway speed fully loaded faster than many empty diesel trucks. This isn't just efficient, it's intimidating. The real game changer? Cost. Here's where diesel trucks start to panic. A traditional truck burns money with fuel, oil changes, brake wear, and engine maintenance. The Tesla Semi? No engine oil, fewer moving parts, regenerative braking, much lower energy cost per mile. For large companies, this means thousands of dollars saved per truck every year. Multiply that across an entire fleet, and you understand why logistics companies are paying attention. Real companies are already using it. This isn't a concept, this isn't hype. Companies like PepsiCo and major logistics operators are already testing Tesla Semis in real-world conditions. They don't care about headlines, they care about profit, reliability, and uptime. And so far, the results are making diesel look outdated. Why Tesla Semi 2026 matters? If Tesla scales production in 2026, the impact goes beyond trucking. Lower shipping costs, cleaner cities, less oil dependence, faster, quieter highways. This isn't just a new truck, it's a shift in how the world moves goods. The Tesla Semi 2026 isn't trying to compete with diesel trucks, it's waiting to replace them. So here's the question, would you trust an electric truck for long-haul transport? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more Tesla and future tech breakdowns, make sure to subscribe.